Now what I'm observing, Sandra, and anybody else that's watching, is this stuff around the edges of the plants, this stuff here, it's trapping water, okay, and drying it up. It's wasting water. So tomorrow, or later on today, I'm going to bring a broom down. I'm going to sweep it all off the plastic from everywhere. Once it dries, I'll sweep it all off, and then the water can get through. Because right now, if it grabs water, it just holds it and it doesn't let it go through the woven weed fabric. See, it's a woven pattern. You can see the edge there. It's woven. So the water can go through it. But not if it's all covered with that. It's going to trap the water. That's trapping the water and just drying up for nothing. So it's a waste. So we got to get rid of that. So tomorrow or today, later on. Hey Sandra. Now, as you know, most people that do a garden, they use a rake. Not my garden, because my garden is weedless, so I use a broom. And as you can see, I'm sporting a new hat, and the reason for that is because I have so many gypsy moths, which are still caterpillars, falling from the trees on me. So this has a wider brim to keep them off me, because they creep me out. So instead of raking my garden today, I'm going to sweep it. And the reason I'm going to sweep it is because this soil, it got on top, things blow on it, leaves, well the water soaks it up, and I don't like that. So I'm just going to sweep my garden clean. You believe this? Who ever thought the day would come you'd sweep a garden? Well, here I am. I'm sweeping it. I'm going to have the cleanest garden on the block. Well, I'll probably have the only garden on the block somebody sweeps. Yay! Okay, as you can see, Sandra, I got half of it all nice and swept. Nice. And now over here, we're just finishing the job. So we're just sweeping it all from one end to the other and off the edge. And I just want to show you all the weeds coming along the edge while the grass is all coming back along this edge. But I want you to look in the tomato plant. See that? No weeds. No weeds. Okay, Walter. Time to go. Time to go. Yeah, you had fun. Can you say bye, Sandra? Oh, can you say bye, Sandra? Say bye-bye, everybody. It was nice to be out here with you. Say bye-bye. Good boy, Walter. Good boy. Yeah, you are. You're a good boy. Good boy.